The Polish defense industry will provide the national army with JELCZ C882 armored tank tractors. The company Polska Grupa Zbrojeniowa announced that according to the agreement, JELCZ will supply several dozen tractors, and the company DeMarco SA will supply trailers for them. JELCZ is also tasked with providing training services. Deliveries are scheduled to be completed by the end of 2027, and the total value of the contract will be PLN 500 million, approximately $120 million. These tractors will become a key component of the rear support system of the Polish armed forces. Recently, the Polish army is switching to new, more massive types of main battle tanks and self-propelled howitzers. Currently, the Polish military operates 23 jack kits, designed as a combination of a tractor from JELCZ and a trailer from DeMarco SA. Each kit includes a JELCZ 882.628 by 8 armored cab tractor unit and a DeMarco ST 775-20W multi-axle low-frame semi-trailer. These jack kits are suitable for carrying the heaviest armored fighting vehicles, including the Leopard 2, K2 Black Panther and M1 Abrams main battle tanks. The first deliveries of the kits arrived to the armed forces in April 2022.